This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, March 7th. Cruise ships stuck at sea. Tropical cyclone Alfred is disrupting cruise ships near Brisbane, Australia. Now, several ships from Carnival and Royal Caribbean are sheltering at sea or diverting due to the storm. Carnival canceled a planned 3-night cruise departing yesterday, offering full refunds to those passengers. A guest on board told the Cruise News Today tip line that Carnival has opened up free internet to keep family back home updated. The storm is expected to make landfall late Friday or early Saturday. And Norwegian Cruise Line is rolling out 4 new production shows across 9 of its ships, looking to appeal to a multi-generational audience. The new shows, Red, White, and British, bring back the 90s. Icons, the bands, and Ignite the Night feature music and performances from well-known artists in different eras. Productions will debut between this month and September on 9 ships, including Breakaway, Encore, Epic, Escape, and Prima. NCL also said that they are expanding their entertainment beyond the main theaters, adding live music, interactive cast performances, and pop-up shows across its fleet. And MSC Cruises has named actress Drew Barrymore as godmother of its newest ship, MSC World America. Now, Barrymore will officially name the ship during a ceremony on April 9th at MSC's new Miami terminal alongside fellow actor Orlando Bloom. MSC World America will feature 7 onboard districts, including the harbor, an outdoor family venue with a swing ride, a ropes course, and a water park. And the photo of the week comes from Bob while docked in St. Martin here. Got a whole mix of ships here. Some Royal Caribbean, AIDA, looks like P&O. Very cool. Thanks for sending it in, Bob. You can send yours in. Photos at cruiseradio.net. All photos are subject to broadcast. And cruise line stocks were down on Thursday. Carnival Corporation down 6.5%, 20.87. Royal Caribbean down 6.8%, 215.14. Norwegian down 6.1%, 20 even. And Viking down 5.8%. 45.05. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Here in Abu Dhabi in the UAE, wrapping up this cruise on Celestial Journey. Beautiful skyline behind me. A little bit of a haze out there though today. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great weekend.